Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and today I'm going to talk to you about our artificial trellis here that we have. This guy here, if you have a way that you need to positively screen something, like here we're screening an air compressor, very unsightly right behind me here. I need to make this actually a little bit taller so that way it screens us even better. But essentially this is an evergreen faux boxwood trellis right here. So this guy will never freeze, it'll never die back, you never have to prune it. The only thing you need to do is periodically stain the wood, which this needs right now. It needs a good coating of stain. But we use 4x4 posts on the for the posts, and we also use 4x4 stringers or laterals here to secure this thing. Very sturdy trellis that's built in here, and it's evergreen, so it's not just a wood fence. It's something a little bit more exciting, adds the green, and there's so many different kinds. This is a very inexpensive evergreen boxwood. It's actually a faux boxwood green cover here, and we got this on Wayfair for $150 for this green evergreen color here. There's better looking ones if you want to spend more money to get it looking really sharp here, but they're supposed to be UV resistant and not break down over time. But what this does is sometimes a wood fence can just get boring, and vines, you're tired of them taking over maybe, and you're always having to prune them and take care of them. This is evergreen and it looks good. Plus, a lot of times your HOA won't allow you to put a fence or put a different element to really screen something like, say, a generator in your yard. You want to make sure that you have something year-round to screen that looks good. And a lot of times we'll do this faux material on both sides, so it actually will look the same to your neighbor as it does to you. So you can screen all kinds of elements, your trash cans, your generator, or anything like that with this here. It's built really well. Our posts are set in concrete. We stain our we use rough cedar is our ideal material that we use. If you need to save a little bit of money, we can use pressure treated wood. And we stain it, we put the foam material, and we set the post in concrete. It's gonna last you for a very, very long time. And it's just a great way to add an element to screen something unsightly, such as an air compressor. Have a great day and do something exciting in your landscape. Thank you.